Alright, so basically now today we are going to look at these types of questions. Usually in the exam, maths paper 1 grade 12, whether it's the trial exam, June exam, or the final exam, solve for x correct to 2 decimal places. There are those questions where in the question paper it says solve for x, but then you actually have stipulated next to the question correct to a certain number of decimal places. That's when you know you need to use the quadratic formula. But before you even go there, you need to make sure that the equation is in what? Is in standard form. So if you look at the first one, x squared plus 10x plus 8, that is already in standard form. Okay, and all we need to do then is identify a, which in this case is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, identify b, which is the coefficient of x, which is positive 10, and then identify c, which is actually the constant term, which is 8. And all you do is you actually draw from the formula sheet this formula. Very important. You just go to the formula sheet and you write it out as you see it. Then after that you substitute in the place of b. Obviously in brackets we substitute positive 10. There's already a negative sign, so that is there because it was already there. B squared, that is 10 squared minus 4 into a, which is 1, and then c, which is 8, over what? Over 2 times 1. Then thereafter, all we simply do now is we multiply. Negative times 10 is negative 10, plus minus. There we have 100 minus what? Minus 32 over what? Over 2. Then inside we have plus minus. It's very important to get to the place where 100 minus 32 gives us what? 68. So we write that 68 over what? Over 2. And then thereafter, one would have to grab their calculator and then go ahead and simplify. Okay, that's all. Grab your calculator, you go ahead and you what? And you simplify, and it makes life very easy from there onwards. Okay, so I think what's very important there here, okay, I don't currently have a calculator, but you would go ahead, substitute, simplify with the calculator, and it would lead you to the answer. Okay, and you'd round it off to 2 decimal places. There'd be 2 irrespective answers. I currently don't have a calculator, so I would love it if in the comment section you'd actually punch in the values and then leave in the comment section what are the 2x values, and I would love to hear from you. Remember, the question specified that we need to round off, solve for x, round off to 2 decimal places, so that would be great. Okay.